Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Welcome sa vlog ni Tita Yani. Andito na naman tayo ngayon. It's another day, another event, and today it's a beach wedding, no? So today, ngayon ay ongoing na yung ceremony at pupunta tayo, titingnan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo, beach wedding naman tayo ngayon guys. Ito yung venue. Ayan. So, nag-uumpisa na ang ceremony. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan.
Never stand behind you.
Ayan ang ceremony nyo guys. Makinig tayo. Ayan. Ito maliit lang po guys. No? 54 people. 54 lang ang guest nito. Maliit. Very, very beautiful.
Pledging my honesty and compassion and fidelity.
So, ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan. Tingnan nyo ang ano guys. Ang linaw at ang tahimik. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo ang reception. Ayan, dito yung sa kabila. So, ang ganda ng ayan, very simple but elegant. Ayan, ang lawak at ang tahimik. Ang ganda. Ayan yung mga rental houses, no? Event house. So, andito naman tayo yung venue. Ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, ito yung bahay. 12 bedroom house naman ito, no? So, nandito tayo. 12 bedroom house and then marami pang mga sisilakihang bahay, no? Ocean view. Ayan, ang ganda. Very elegant ang setup natin ngayon, guys. And this is 4 course, no? 4 course. Sorry, it's 5 course dinner. 5 course dinner ngayon. So, ang ganda ng setup. Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, meron dito. So, pagkalabas nila, pagkatapos ng ceremony, ayan yung meron silang ano dito, kung mga ano dito, and then tissue, giveaways, and then merong drinks, nag-aantay sa kanila. So, we have white sangria, red sangria, water, and sweet tea. And then, ito na. Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, yung bahay. Ayan, ito ang tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Meron silang monstera, merong peony, birds of paradise, ferns, sorry, ferns pala. Ferns, ang ganda ng flower. May orchid, black and gold. Very aesthetic, no? Black and gold yung motif nila with white accent and green. Ayan, super beautiful. And tingnan nyo yung punta tayo dito. So 54 plated dinner ito guys. Tingnan ko sa inyo yung kabuuan. Ayan, so I think they're married. Ang ganda, no? Tapos ito yung bahay. Ayan, we have dito yung DJ mamaya. Tingnan yung bahay. Swimming pool, dito yung party. Diyan yung party mamaya. Ayan. And then dito yung ano nila, parang photo booth. Ayan. Maganda yan sa picture. May ilaw yan mamaya. May sign dyan, no? Itong sign. I wanna be with you everywhere. Ayan. Ganda ng color. Ganda ng color combination. So, photo booth yan mamaya, no? Ayan. Ang ganda. So, tingnan nyo. Mamayang gabi. Maganda yan siya pag sunset na. Ayan. Hi! Hello! Hi! Ayan. And then we have oyster table. So, dito yung ayan. Oyster bar natin today. What you doing, chef?
Talaba.
Talaba na sad? Kahapon?
Ipon.
Kung kahapon patatas, karon talaba.
Talaba. Kahapon.
Oh, ayan.
Paano chicken. Manok niya.
Dugangi pa ni.
Add more?
Oh, kari. Oh, nindot no? Nindot man dahil. Oh, asa imong lemon?
That's right there.
Butang ig lemon diri oh, para magkuan. Color. Ano? Para may contrast. Ayan. So, iwagwag, iyagyag ra ang kuandong.
Add more oyster on top.
Nya, pwede ra na nimo pundok-pundokon ang shrimp. First time ni chef mag-chef, no?
Oh, talaba.
Ayan.
Kaon.
And Jeremy?
Hello.
Ayan, guys. And then dito naman, ang ganda ng view.
Supervisor right here.
Jeremy, supervisor.
Supervisor.
Move that up here.
Yes, sir.
And move that back here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ceremony is almost over. Let me see. Andito naman si Carrie, Anastasia. So we're here. Wow.
Do you want it?
Put it right over on the table. Yan, we have crudité dito, guys, no? We have crudité. Ayan. You can make a room in there. Wow, beautiful. Reveal. Crudité reveal. We need spoon and tongue. Your journey. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. What you need?
Hand pass or
Hand
no?
pass. Only like not all the time. Like special
I will get a
ayan.
smaller tray. This is the smallest one.
That's the smallest one.
What about skinnier one? No?
You can. That will work. Caprese, tomato caprese.
I got it planned.
You can do that later. You can also hand pass that a little bit later. Do you have bruschetta ready?
Yep, two. One of each right now, and I'm making seafood in a second.
Okay. Check natin yung mga chefs sa food truck, guys. Pakita ko din sa inyo kung ano kaganda ang front ng house na ito. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan ang, excuse my shadow. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng bahay, guys, no? Ayan. Punta tayo, check natin yung chef. Check natin sila. Ceremony is almost over. Ceremony is almost over.
The poke's ready.
Coming right up. I'll send them to pick it up. Oyster table is ready. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. So, I just have to remind everybody that ceremony is almost over. We're about to start with hand pass. And then, yan na, party started. Then, we're gonna do dinner. Ayan, it's over na. It's over. Ayan. So, balik na sila, guys. Oh. Hand pass now, dear. Please. Ayan. So, start na ng party, guys. Ito yung mga souvenir din nila. Oh. Ito yung cards. Ayan. Dito sila ano. Wow. Guest book. Yan ang guest book nila. Yan yung guest. Ayan. Napkin. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, ayan, guys. So, ito yung bar natin dito. At meron pa silang ganito, guys. Oh. Cute. Crossword puzzle. Yan yung bar. Ayan. Ang ganda. Alright, thank you for watching. Follow, like, and share, and subscribe if you like some more videos, guys. Ayan, bye. Bye now.